Greetings everyone, welcome to Just One Good Trade. Today it's already 8:31, which for me is the time in which I look for a trade. So let's see here, what are we seeing? We're seeing, there's a possible trade here. Let's see. I'm looking at this. Here, are we going to get confirmation? And by confirmation, I mean another candle that in the same direction that proves possibly the momentum. Now, that being said, you can tell that price action is not crossing. Let me take a bit. Let's see how far. Is it going to cross this line? Or is this the end? Okay. Okay, let's see if it is a chance for a reversal. If not, we should exit. Okay, let's exit. Okay, it's one of those things. It happens. Now let's look for a next trade. You're only as good as your next move, right? Let's look at, you can tell price action is moving down, but then there's a possibility for a reversal here. I would say let's wait for price action to at least cross one of those two lines before making a decision. As you know, I enjoy two types of lines. This line in which I somewhat control. I somewhat have a sense of where the latest the market has been. And then another one, which gives me a sense of where I should exit if it reverses. And I usually put that one purple, dashed. It's just personal preference. Okay, you know what? Let's do this again. Let's see if the market will be able to cross this previous. I'm going to put this green. Is it going to be able to cross this decisively? Is it able to cross this decisively? Let's hope so. It's touching this line, but not crossing it decisively. For me, wow. Wow. This is possibly a very insidious consolidation period. You can tell it touched this line and right away it reversed back. Let's see if it's going to reverse back up. If not, let's just exit and take our loss. Let's see if it's going to cross the previous high instead of just continuing to go down. Is it gonna cross the previous high? Honestly, I would give another 2 points. 4, because there's not a lot of, if it were to cross here, there's not a lot of momentum. There's not a lot of strength going back up. I'm hoping it does that, but then at some point I have to listen to what the market is doing. 1, 2, 3 tries. $8.37. Okay. Again, let's see if it's going to cross this and continue its rise. Okay. Let's see if it will at least give us 2 points. I'm honestly hoping that it at least touches this, which is 269.30, which would be really this here. If not, I'm ready to grab what I have. Ooh. It did the same, almost the same thing yesterday. Let's see if it's going to cross the previous candle's high. If it does, there's hope. This candle high is here. Okay, there's a chance that this is the end of the line. Oh man. Okay. Who would it have crossed? Who would have crossed it? Let's see if it'll give us 68, 7. Let's see if it'll give us at least 2 points. Or is this the end of the line here? I really think it can at least touch this. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Please touch this. Okay. So it touched it. Now it's reversing my board. Or are you going to continue? Give us some more. Market is very fickle with this one. Chance. Let's break the previous high. Okay. If it reverses past this line, I'm gonna exit. It's not pushing through. Oh. Well, that's good. We actually made a little profit. At the same time, we also... That was a very jagged... When you think about it, for a scalper, this is a nightmare. We started here. It'll first trade here at 31. Let's see, 63. Let's say we entered here, 64. We got here, 66. And that somewhat makes sense that we would reach here and automatically a reverse. But the reversal is brutal. Let's admit, reversals have been super brutal. And then, let's say here, it goes and touches here and doesn't push forth. It reverses. Okay. We somewhat knew it was going to continue its rise. We stayed on course. That's viable. But then the market never really gave us anything. After 10 minutes of scalping, there are days like that. And these are the days in which you might have losses, you might simply just break even, or you might make just a little bit above break even, not really what you're normally making. But these days are more of a demonstration of your maturity. They are a demonstration of you not letting yourself be bullied by the market, by those jagged movements, by this and unpredictability, but you sticking to not just your guns, but your rules, your principles, your strategy, and also the faith that you've gathered throughout your years of experimentation. If you know that your strategy has a win-loss ratio of 60-40, wonderful, stick to that. A win-loss ratio of 40-60, even 30-70, remember that. That being said, the market is indeed going up, which is infuriating. What time is this? It's 8:42. At 8:42, it gave us a movement of somewhat 2 points. It's always hard to, when you look at the market retrospectively, it's almost as if, you know it was going to do it, but you don't know. Really. You don't know if it would have reversed here. There's a sense that it might have, but that being said, it did indeed go up. We did predict that, but the way it did it was, for a scalper, it was not appealing. Now, that being said, if you look at the 800 chart, it seems more like a more unified movement. See this? More like a unified movement. If you look at other candles, for example, the 1600, it looks like really simple trade. And that's what you forego and what you have to consider. The time frame which you trade. The time frame will tell the story. The time frame will also, if you're looking for excitement right away, get a smaller time frame. But if you're looking for something safe, or if you're looking to at least breathe by looking at candles, get a bigger time frame. For example, 800 might be better for you. That being said, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. And remember, all you need is just one.